What's going on, guys? First off, I just want to say happy holidays. Hopefully you guys are spending time with your loved ones, your friends, your family, doing the stuff that you really care about. Now, in this video, I'm not going to teach you anything, per se. I just want to kind of, get this message out there. Now, one of the things that I've been asked a lot is, what do I do outside of working or spending time with family? And really that's all I do. I spend time with my family and I have fun doing it. Now, the message I want to convey in this video is, this morning when I was playing Scrabble with my kids, we played Scrabble for like an hour and a half, and just in that time, I'm making about $600 online, doing absolutely nothing. And when I say absolutely nothing, I've set up systems in place. I have a team of people. So I made $600 without ever doing anything, just by playing Scrabble with my kids. Okay. Now, here's what I want you to understand, because I know a lot of people are going to, look at this and be like, well, I can't make that kind of money because I don't have anything. I don't sell anything. I don't have a big community or anything like that. Now, here's what I want to explain to you guys. I didn't have a big community of people. I didn't have a huge tribe of believers. I don't have a huge database of products I'm selling or anything like that, okay? I just built a business based around what I knew, what I loved, and what I have a passion for, and that's business, entrepreneurship, and trying to be financially stable on your own, okay? Self-employment. Now, with that said, in 2020, one of the things you need to do is you need to build a community of people. You need to build a subscriber base, whether it's on Instagram or Facebook or YouTube or through a blog or through an email list. It doesn't matter. You just need to build something, okay? A community. People that believe in you. People that will buy a product from you. People that will buy something that you recommend. It's not because you're just saying, hey, go buy this, it's going to work. It's because what you offer, what you teach, they believe. It's benefiting them. And so because of that, and that's one of the things I try to do myself, is I don't just go and promote every single product out there underneath the sun, because that's not what you guys need. What you guys need is specific, instructions, action, step-by-step directions on how to do, X, how to achieve, true passive income, how to make a YouTube video that will get seen, how to create a, Facebook page that you can monetize and make money from. That's what you guys want. That's what you guys need. So because that's what I try to do, okay? So one thing I want to really reiterate in this video is that in 2020, I'm putting more time and effort here into YouTube, and I recommend you guys do the same thing as well. And I'm not saying go watch every single one of my videos. Yeah, if you do, great. But what I'm saying is go and spend more time on YouTube, but creating your own content. That's what you need to do. So if you guys have any questions, okay, let me know. But one of the things I really want you guys to do is focus on yourself, your own business, and making that money. So again, if you have any questions, let me know. You can always ask your questions down in the comment section below. Like I said, have a happy holidays. Enjoy your time with your family, and I'll see you guys on the next one.